Hey, I'm back again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends wherever you are. Your guest, Sandy Entertainment TV. In this YouTube channel, they use pidgin English and we still they use correct English. So before I quickly forget, I get one special video I want to show now this morning. So before I forget, if you have been watching me, you have not subscribed, please hit that red button and the notification bell so you see whenever I upload a latest video. May God bless you as you do so. If you have subscribed before, may God bless you. May God bless you as you support your girl, as you support your sister. May God bless you all. I love you all. So before this video, when I see this one, I can't even shock me pass. This one shockalize me. It shockalize me. Oh, Nigeria. Wetin Nigeria dey turn to? Wetin Nigeria dey turn to? Hey. Europe, when be say that they take care of children like say tomorrow no day. Just imagine. Just imagine. Ado Ekiti for Yoruba land. Because of tax when school not pay. Just because of tax when school not pay. Now they take lock children for inside school premises. Wonder shall never end. Wonder shall never end. So this video, when I say may I quickly share it to now. Mona see what people they pass through for Nigeria, for Africa. All those governments, what they not go do today, now that they do to just normal human being. They forget everybody not the same because they dey power. Imagine. Because school no quick pay tax. They just lock the children for inside the school, carry key comot. No parents go fit go inside, go carry their children. Then children no fit come outside. They just they look everybody like animal for Africa. Just imagine. Alright guys, before I forget, may I quickly share this video. Mona here what did they happen. This is terrible.
This is what is going on in Ado Ekiti State. In a school in Bashiri, Ado Ekiti. I was there this afternoon to pick up my child. And this is what happened. Since 8 a.m. the school has been sealed, the gate locked, and the children are there. There are little children there. No one to attend to them. Parents cannot come in to pick up their kids. They said the government task force came to lock the children, lock the school. And this has to stop. These children are not animal. We are all human beings. They should just give a notice for the parents to come in and pick up their kids. Then you can lock up the school. But how can you lock a school up since morning? This is almost to 4 now, and you said they are coming to reopen the school, and you didn't come back, and there are children there which are not even feeling fine, and you lock up the school and you left. The school authority have called severally for you people to come and open, and they didn't even come and open. They didn't even feel remorse for this bad attitude that they are displaying. This is very bad. This is uncalled for. This is bad. In a government, in a state that has good government, in a state that has leadership, this is unfair. This is unfair, and moreover, these children are not the ones to pay for the revenue. This is not called for at all. This is not the children's fault. So they have to release the children. You can't just come in from outside and lock up a school for that matter. This is uncalled for.
All right, guys. Shona don't hear for the horses months. Point of correction. That woman, may I correct her? No leadership, no government, no president for Nigeria. Live and let's live in Nigeria. They don't get governor. Not they. Just imagine. Not be the children won't pay for the tax. Now the owner of the school now will pay for the tax. What did the children can do? What it can concern the children for inside? They just lock gate against those children. Their mother no fit collect them. The children no fit go outside. They are hungry. This is sad. When they come see Europe, the way government say they take care of children, the way government are taking care of children, like say tomorrow not day. Even you won't be their mother self. If you touch them and they know, you are in trouble. If care is not taken, they'll collect that child from you. Or if those children go school, tell their maestra for school, say their mama they beat them or their papa they beat them. Sorry for that family. They will start to the monitor them. Before they know, they don't collect that pikin for them. Now take children till they do football for Africa. They children till they do sacrifice for Africa. Just imagine. They lock children for inside school because of tax. Imagine. I feel pity for them because they are living in a country where there is no pity, no heart. They don't get heart for anybody. They don't get human sympathy for anybody. It's so sad. I'm sorry for those children. I'm sorry for them, and I feel pity for the parents. I feel pity for the parents. All right, my lovely people. This is my short video and my updates this morning. I love you all, guys. I love you all. I know you do the same. Please don't forget to subscribe to Sandy Entertainment TV. I love you all. And I appreciate you all for your support. I appreciate you. Please subscribe, like, and share. To my returning subscribers, I say may God bless you all. I love you all, guys. I love you. I love you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. And I will be here to give you latest updates, latest gist. Nothing but truth. I will give you a real update. All right, guys. Bye. See you next time.